How to get dual apps on Android. First of all, suppose if I want to make the dual application for Snapchat, you simply need to go ahead and open settings of your Android phone. Now, select the search bar at top of the screen and type in dual or app clone. And you got the app like App Cloner. It might be dual application on your device as well. Simply you need to launch App Cloner, and after that, on your recommended, you will see Snapchat. Simply select Snapchat and make sure to toggle the button on to create app clone. So currently, App Cloner cannot be turned on my device because my device has less than 5% of free storage remaining. So you simply need to have 5 more than 5% of free storage in order to create dual app on your device. And after that, your dual application will be successfully created on Android phone. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.